Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI Nova Y90, and now I will show you how to clean your USB connector on this device using household items. So, firstly, you need to know that metal objects can damage your connector, your charging USB port. So if you don't want to damage your USB port, don't use metal objects. I suggest you use the old toothbrush, which you no longer use, to clean your connector. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, we need to take the cover off and insert the one part of the brush into the connector. Then we need to gently pry the dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.